Hey everyone, this is TMW7 and we are going to unbox the Acer Aspire 5742Z model. This is Energy Star Efficient and in black color. This is the box it comes in, and I bought it from Target. So this is the box it comes in right now. I'm taking up the whole camera. It's a little like suitcase type thing here. See, and it says Aspire Olympics partner. And on the back it has Intel and this stuff. On the side it just has Energy Star and that, and the barcodes and all the codes that I can't show you. And on the other side is the facts. Windows 7 Home Premium 62-bit, 64-bit, sorry. Intel Premium Processor P6100, 2 gigabytes, 2 gigahertz, 50.6 HD Acer Cinecrystal LED LCD, 3 gigabytes of RAM, Intel HD graphics, DVD Super Multi DL drive. Let's see what else. 2-in-1 card reader, 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi reader, no Bluetooth, no webcam. Actually, never mind. No Bluetooth, no WWAN. 1.3 mega webcam and a 6 cell lithium-ion battery. So let's open this thing up. Oops. Flip it over. You know, it would probably be better if I did this on the floor. There's a rocket ship carpet, yes. No, I'm not going to do it on the floor. It has a little seal thing right here. Here is the battery. Actually, I'm going to move this out of the way and take it out one by one. Place it on the desk. We have a 6-cell battery. The wall cable. That's it for the top part. Let's open these flaps up. Here we have, I'm just going to find the compass. The computer. Let's open it up. It's quite heavy. There's the front. Nice big size. There is the back with no battery. Let's see, the bottom, SD card reader. Side has a USB port, a HDMI cable for TVs, Ethernet, internet, and I forgot what that's called. Oh, and there are no things on the back, so that's good. You don't have to reach over. On the right side, we have a CD, DVD, and 2 USB ports. Sorry for the bad angle. It's a horrible angle I'm using. Let's see what else is in the box. In the box is a user's manual. And I believe there's one more thing in here. The adapter for the battery. Oh, I see more things. Actually, that's it. So, let's open up the screen here. Ooh. Nice mirror screen glossy finish. You can see the reflection from the tripod. And we have here just the covering and directions on easy setup. In English and Spanish. Oh, I like this keyboard. Look, it's a full keyboard. We have a numeric keypad. Here. Full keyboard. Power button's on the left side. It's a huge power button. Little fact thing right there. So that is the unboxing video. And I will have a startup video on how fast it is soon. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and if you want to subscribe, I appreciate it. Bye.